how to manage share location with Bing on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage share location with Bing on Skype mobile. First thing, go to Skype and click on your profile here, and then click this one, settings, and now click this one here, privacy, and now you will see this one here, share location with Bing. If you want to turn it on, just click on it and click share, and as you see, share location with Bing has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, just click on it. And that's how many share location with Bing on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.